Hey, what's up guys? It's timtense and we're still in Madeira and we're checking out the Anjos waterfall. It's a waterfall on the old road to Calheta, I think, where you can stand underneath and you can drive underneath even. So let me show you. So if you want to clean your car or something, you can drive by here. And yeah, but it's... And we're going through the waterfall, almost.
Almost.
Let's do it.
Nice.
Oh shit! So this waterfall is dripping really on the road here, as you can see. You can walk just right underneath. And the car should be clean again now. So we're just cruising around a bit. We're now in Calheta because Nutat is checking in his new apartment here. And after that we're going to Achadas da Cruz. I have been there a few days ago, but it was raining really hard. And basically it's a very high cliff where you can go down with a cable car, and down there are some fishermen villages only accessible by cable car or by boat, and we're going to check that out. Not sure if it will be raining again. Let's hope not. There he is.
Hello guys.
He was doing his laundry. Did you do the laundry?
Oh yeah, it was very necessary, so I should be fine now for the least of a couple of days.
Alright, so let's continue to the next stop.
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's do this. And we have arrived in Achadas da Cruz.
Hello.
Last time I was here it was raining really hard. There was only one car here, and now there are a few more cars, but actually it's kind of okay. Yeah. So over there's a toilet, a small restaurant, a souvenir shop, and you can take the cable car down. Not sure what the price is. I think it might be €3. And yeah, then we will explore what is down there. So let's go. After admiring the view from up here, we're going to take the cable car down. Let's go and see. I think it's a drop off from like 500 meters high or something, so it will be impressive.
A lot. Lukt toch niet goed.
So while waiting for the cable car, the guy was doing some tests here, and all of a sudden he screams "fuck!" So I'm not so confident in the system anymore. We will see. There's now another couple going down, so it looks like it's going smoothly, so no worries probably, but it didn't sound so comforting, let's say. So apparently it's the steepest cable car in Europe. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
It's
Let's do this.
500 meter drop, I think, and it will take about 5 minutes to go down. So let's hope it is okay.
Dan valt het eigenlijk mee als je het niet ziet. Wat zie je, jongen?
How are you feeling, Nutat?
A little bit nervous, actually, to be honest. Yeah. I don't like heights. But yeah, at least you cannot see the... How do I say it? You cannot see where you are going, so yeah. So that's okay for people who have fear of heights, actually. So this is okay.
Yeah, it's not so bad actually. I mean, it's okay. It's going very slow, and yeah, I feel quite alright.
Me too.
And it's very beautiful, that's for sure. And down there are 2 villages apparently. So there's one village, and then you can walk further and there's another village. So let's go and check it out.
Schoon.
And we made it down. Looks very impressive on the way, and down here also actually. Very big waves here. And dramatic cliffs in front of us. Nice. And there's a toilet downstairs also. Handy. And while walking here through this fisherman village, there are not so many people around. We see some people working in their gardens, but apparently there's one building a little bit more modern, and we saw people going down there with their suitcases. So I'm assuming this is that you can rent it on Airbnb or something. I will try to find out, because this location is very incredible. Imagine being here at night. It must be amazing. So for my next stay in Madeira, I might have to book this one. Looks really amazing. So we just finished our visit here at Achadas da Cruz, and I must say it's very beautiful. The light for photos and videos is very amazing. The waves are very big, it's very photogenic. And now we're going back up and try to find a sunset point. So I hope we can find a nice spot not too far away. It's now like almost 5 and the sunset is at like 6:30. So let's see if we can find a nice spot. So we're going back up in the cable car, but to be honest, it feels much more comfortable going down than going up. What do you think?
I can confirm that. I'm a little bit nervous, sorry.
Yeah, it's a whole different feeling, and it's going very slow. The last part is like, whoa. But the views are spectacular, that's for sure. And we made it back up. Nutat was not feeling so comfortable. Me neither, but it was a bit scary.
Yeah, the last part was a little bit scary.
Yeah, very slowly, very slow. Yeah. And after Achadas da Cruz, just 15 minutes away, we came to Vereda da Ladeira. Well, it's actually Ponta da Ladeira. It's Miradouro, and we're going to check it out for sunset. We're like maybe 1 hour early for sunset, but we will check out the place a bit, find a nice spot, and I think it will be very amazing. I found this spot thanks to a digital travel couple. They have a blog post on this. I will link it in the description. Make sure to check it out. And now we're going down there to go and see the Miradouro. And that down there right there is where we were before. So with the Achadas da Cruz cable car, you can go down all the way from there until the little village there. And the only way to reach the village is by boat or by the cable car. These are the kind of potatoes that they use for the bolo do caco. Very delicious bread from Madeira, usually with garlic. Absolutely delicious. I think we found a perfect sunset location, just a bit lower than the actual Miradouro. There's this spot right here. I'm trying to get a spot here without falling. Yeah, it looks very epic here. Damn, so nice. And I think we will have a beautiful sunset. It looks like. What do you say, Nutat?
It's really beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
A beautiful spot. I think we are blessed at the moment. All right.
So far the sunset viewpoint Ponta da Ladeira is very beautiful.
It was amazing.
Just had some drone shots. I'm running a time lapse there. I hope it works out, and the views are spectacular here. It's really epic. We're about to get a pink sky maybe, so it can even become better. We'll see. But I can definitely advise you, if you visit Achadas da Cruz, you can get the sunset from there, or you can drive 15 minutes and come here and have the sunset from here. There's nobody else around, so it's a perfect spot. And after driving around all day, checking beautiful viewpoints, beautiful cable cars, we're going to find some dinner now in Funchal. So we might go to Campo, which is a gastronomic restaurant apparently.
Yes, yes.
And they have some special meat.
Wagyu steak, you know.
Wagyu steak.
So
And
when the cow gets massaged by people, I think it makes
Yeah, we'll see.
Makes the cow much less stressful. So better meat.
we'll see, we'll see. So, what's on the menu?
Wagyu. Let's do this. Oh, looks really nice. So I just got my big Wagyu steak. It seems really tasty. So yeah, pretty excited to eat and try.
And
Thank you.
there are pickles for you.
Thank you.
Obrigada, enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry, I missed. Can we get another bottle of water,
Yes.
please? Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye, obrigada.
So we finished our meal at the Campo restaurant, and it was quite delicious actually. The steak was very tender. Is it tender? Yeah, it was quite good. What did you think?
I thought this was really amazing steak. So yeah, really tender indeed. It melts in your mouth. It's like it's having a party. It's like a party in your mouth, actually. And everyone is invited. So it was really good.
Yeah, it was pretty good actually, but pricey a bit. I mean, it's not for every day. It's like how much did we pay? 40 euro per person
Yeah.
for a starter and
yeah.
Wagyu steak and 2 bottles of water.
But for one time.
2 bottles of water. Yeah, once in a while it's okay. So this was it for my almost last day in Madeira. We had a tour almost all around the island, well, mostly on the west coast, northwest coast. It was very beautiful. We ended up here in Funchal with a very delicious dinner. And tomorrow will be my last day. I will go surfing, I will go hiking, and yeah, see you in another video. If you enjoyed watching this video, consider subscribing. And if you want to support this channel, like, comment or share this video. It truly helps a lot. Thanks for watching.